How to remove background noise in video in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. iMovie allows you to edit and create videos directly on your device. On the projects page, tap on Movie as shown. You will then be brought to your media library, showing your photos and videos. Select the video clip you want to edit, and tap on Create Movie at the bottom. Here, tap on the video clip in the timeline. Now, tap on the volume icon. Here, you can adjust the volume level of the selected clip. Drag the volume slider all the way down to 0%. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top left corner. This will mute the audio track of your video and take you to the project details screen. Now, tap on the share icon at the bottom center of the screen. From the menu, tap on Save or Share Video to export your movie. Following these steps, you can easily remove background noise in a video on an iPhone.